So I'm here again. You already know my favorite place, the airport. Taking another trip. This probably be the last trip for the year. They decided to go to Jamaica. And I'm going to Florida. But whatever, man. Camera's coming with me. Let's get it. Annoying your family in the airport. Bye. 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 Just landed in Texas. And I'm about to take a Skylink. This airport is big. I'm kind of scared of this airport, man. But whatever.
Attention, please.
Let's get it. About to find this Skylink, they call it, and find my gate. There you go. Just landed in Florida. Tired. Grab my bucks and be out. See what Florida's got for me this time. I always had fun no matter what. When I come to Florida, I always had fun. So let me go see what's going to happen. Let's get it, partner. Okay, so this is called Idleness in the Mall. Bottle. What you guys think? I think I'm gonna make it. So if I make this, I make it. If I don't, I don't. I wasn't gonna bet anything. What you eat that? Yeah, dog. See me, huh? Touch. Swing. Swing. Show off your fling, dog.
Oh, you
got,
fling. Oh, you
you
fling.
got like stupid.
No, you're not gonna do that shit like the demo. Oh, hold on. No, I see these.
See it?
Yeah.
Dude, you're in one spot. Why are you moving around?
Oh.
Beach over there, say beach over. Nice.
Yeah, you can't go too far.
Whoa. I saw some blue light.
Look if you see the remotes.
Huh? No.
I saw these. I don't know where I found them.
Oh, it's a store. Battery.
Which guys have to activate again? To activate again.
Activate.
One over here, one over there, would be about $10.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're about to go and do some of this. Yeah. What the shit? Really do? Oh. Yo, swear. Are you just fool? Ah, boy. Ricky was supposed to know him from vlog before. Yeah. Starboy still in full doing. Fool. I know. Yeah. Boss there. Load up the mark there. Okay. I'm gonna knock it on now. Yeah. Boss there. out. About to hit up the beach real quick. They call me Marco Phelps.
I'm gone.
Chilling on the beach. Get my tan on. This Florida sun ain't no joke, yo. Woo! But I'm hoping to have a good time today. We probably won't do anything exciting today, but just the fact that I'm on the beach, I'ma feel good, man. Look at this view, man. Oh yeah. Yep. I'm about to test the water. See what's happening. Baywatch! Ah! Yeah. I'm done. I wish I had a GoPro, man. I'm gonna get a GoPro. That's it for the beach. Me and my partners here. Alright. We out.